Which of these traits best describes Apollo as written in many of his mythologies, specifically when it comes to his romantic works?
Bisexual.
Well, welcome back to another episode of Motormyths, where we are in New York City asking people if they know anything about mythology, but we gotta go because this is New York City and we got to motor. And today I have a very special guest, the one, the only, brand new Apollo model. Introduce yourself, sir.
Hi, I'm Johnny Salese. I'm Italian, but I'm playing a Greek god. That's crazy. What's up?
What's up is a good way to start.
I've learned my lore.
That being said, we have very specific and very targeted questions for you today. So let's start with the hard ones, get those out of the way.
Okay.
So Venice is famous for A, carnival masks, B, ghosts and gondolas, C, pizza, or D, Renaissance art.
The gondolas. They got gondolas and they got the carnival masks. Not pizza. I'm gonna say B. Ghosts and gondolas.
You are correct.
Oh.
It is B, ghosts and gondolas. In Italian folklores, what is the dance that cures a spider bite?
Oh, tarantella.
There you go. Look, that one was easy.
Yeah.
And you were nervous.
A little bit.
Which city did Romulus and Remus from?
Reem. Just kidding, Rome. Because if it was Remus, it would have been called Reem. But it's called Rome. Reem.
Reem.
It doesn't sound very pleasant.
You're just reaming the city of Italy.
I don't like that.
I don't like that
that one bit. No.
All right. What is Apollo associated with?
The sun, music, arts.
All correct. We trust.
Come on.
What is the sacred musical instrument for Apollo?
The lyre?
Why were you so nervous? He might be the first person on the show to get everything right. Which of these traits best describes Apollo?
Oh, it's multiple choice.
Yes.
Hit me.
A, ugly but wise. B, charming and beautiful. C, fierce and monstrous. D, quiet and reclusive.
Well, definitely not the last one. I'm gonna go with 2, with B. B.
He hasn't gotten a single one wrong, and it's actually kind of making me mad. Okay, last question. Apollo's son, blank, taught humans the art of medicine.
It's he's got the staff. Apollon. Little Apollo Jr.
Apollon is his actual name.
Off.
I got him. You have one guess. One more guess.
One more guess? Fauci.
Asclepius.
Asclepius! Wait, no! Stop!
I got him. Asclepius.
Asclepi me?
Asclepi you,
Hey.
Asclepi we.
Asclepi us.
Asclepi us. That's gonna wrap this episode of Motormyths today. Gianni, how are you feeling?
Defeated.
You did good other than that last one.
Yeah, I know.
So, because I forgot the grab bag,
Oh,
I have picked something very specific. But we're gonna give you the little brand new Facing the Sun blush. I'm very excited. This is our new collaboration with Freddie Chen. It's a yellow blush. You do have it on currently. I'm gonna pick that up if you can see it here. But it looks lovely. We're very excited to have worked with Freddie. We're so excited to have Gianni on the front facing of the Apollo campaign. We're so excited.
Thank you so much. I'm very happy about this. Thank you so much.
Bye, guys.